Going on YouTube? Today is my cousin's bird. Go subscribe to him. His name is Ponchonator 07. It's a nice bird. I don't know the names to be honest with you guys. But hey, comment down below if you want some bike videos. Like we can make some bike video. Like I don't even know what's my bike. All right, I'm gonna go look for it, and then I'll get you guys on the next video. Maybe by tomorrow. I'll post it tomorrow. Okay. Don't mind the poop. All right. Don't mind it. What happened? You guys wanna say hi? You gonna try to say hi to the Hershey gang? Yeah, they're really cute. 1 hour later. Hello. Oh yeah, they're very cute. Comment down below. What should I do next? Like, what should I post next? Cause I've not been posting for like almost a week. Cause I do not know where to post. Oh, there Mimi comes. Say hi. Hi. She's very excited. I don't know why, but she's very excited. Oh, Mimi, you're very excited. You guys even see her? Or was it really dark? I don't know. Here, let's come over here, Mimis. Oh, it's really dark, huh? I don't know if you guys can see her, but it's really dark. How about over here? Mimi! She's all right there. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. Catch you guys on the next vid.